Good morning. This is day 12 on our Hildegard von Bingen program. And if you've been following, then you know that I am asking you now to close your eyes if it feels comfortable. So you can take in the wonderful words of Hildegard von Bingen. So as we close our eyes, we turn our attention inward and upward. On each out-breath, we simply release and let go. We allow all the thoughts, feelings, any physical disturbances, noises to move away. They are released into the nothingness. So we can find ourselves present in the here and now, in this moment. We allow ourselves to arrive. As we release all thoughts, any tension, anything that doesn't serve us right now, we find the ease to turn our attention inward and upward. As we lift our consciousness towards oneness, we notice the heart of life, universe, the heart of loving, the heart of God, as a light source, light and sound. And we notice that a beam of white and golden light shines down on us, embracing us, holding us focused with ease and grace throughout our prayer meditation time. We allow ourselves to be held, protected and guided as we listen to the wonderful words of Hildegard von Bingen. My day begins. I saw a splendor, dawn, like in its beauty, containing within it flashes of purple lighting. We just take in these images and then we listen to Hildegard's interpretations. When pride swells up within you and you want to position yourself higher than the stars and beyond all of God's faithful creatures, you can be certain you will fall. Pay attention. Do not forget the love with which God has freed you, or disregard the great gifts that constantly flow from Him. Above all, do not forget that as often as you have fallen into sin and preferred death to life, just as often He has called you back from death. And if needed, you do forget all these things and out of pride fall again. Recall the words of Scripture and the wisdom of the Fathers. Pay attention as they tell you to do good and avoid evil. Confess, I have sinned greatly, and I desire to return to you, my Father, who has created me. He will receive you with an undiminished love, take you to His bosom and hold you tightly to himself. As we allow the wonderful words to take hold in our consciousness, we realize the depth of Hildegard's message. We choose the life we live. We choose God. We choose good, peace, the loving, serenity, authenticity, neutrality. That's the path of God. That's the path of the divine, the source of all being. Or I can choose the path of death, the downward focus into fear and the craze of the world. But still, even if I sin and I choose the down under, the darkness and the fear, God keeps on calling me, asking me to lift my gaze back to the light, back to the connection. God keeps on holding me. The energy of loving holds me through my struggles, my difficult choices. I am loved regardless. Our mantra for today: you are forgiven. I am forgiven. I am forgiven. I am loved. Thank you. Thank you so much for praying and meditating with me this morning. Have a blessed day. Baruch Bashan.